In The Great Divorce, C.S. Lewis imagines a surreal bus ride from hell to heaven, where lost souls are offered a final choice: cling to their sins or let them go to embrace eternal joy. The story follows a narrator as he watches conversations between the ghosts of the grey town and the solid people of heaven, shining spirits who urge them to surrender pride, bitterness, and selfishness. Some refuse, unwilling to let go of control, but a few choose transformation. Lewis reminds us hell is locked from the inside, and heaven is open to all, but only the humble enter. Through vivid allegory, he challenges us to examine what we truly love, and whether we'll let go of shadows for the solid glory of God's presence. In the end, the greatest divorce is not between good and evil, but between the soul and its illusions. Subscribe for more 60-second heavenly insight every day.